Dear students, welcome to virtual classroom of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 10th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class.
Dear students, this video is also on constructions and studied about certain type of construction, especially construction of similar triangles in connection with the theorem and things you studied in chapter 1 similarity in the last video. If you have not done it, you have to go to the last video. I will be giving the link to the last video in the description. Go through that video, then come over here. These three different types of construction is explained and shown to you. We are going further about geometric constructions, in which the next one is construction of a tangent to a circle at a point on the circle. You know what is a tangent by this time, and here a tangent to be drawn to a circle at a point on the circle, that is a construction. This is comparatively an easy construction, and I will be showing it directly to you because it is quite easy. Maybe you may have a simple question of draw a circle and draw a tangent to that circle at a point on the circle. So what basically we need is a compass, naturally. Then you will be in need of a ruler. This much will be enough. So let me try to draw a circle first. I will make this little thin for the time being. Okay, you have to draw tangent to a circle. So you should mark where you are going to draw a circle. This is the center of the circle. So first step is drawing a circle. So you will do it first of any radius and mark the center as C. That is the step 1, where a circle is drawn with a center C. Now I wish to draw a tangent at this point. To show it to you, I will make it big. This point. So what I will do is, I will bring the scale and draw a line passing through that point. Thoda slanting है, no problem. Passing through that point, I have drawn a line segment and I am marking it as P here. Through this point, I have to draw a tangent. So what I will do is, I will simply draw a line perpendicular through that point, because we have studied a property. The property is that if there is a circle and a tangent and this is the center, line drawn from the tangent to the circle from that point will be perpendicular. So I need a perpendicular here, the problem solved. That principle we are using in the reverse direction. For that again I need the compass to draw a perpendicular through this point. So from point I will start. Put a arc here. Put an arc here also. Then increase the size of the compass. You can draw an arc here. Turn the compass. To make it more accurate, you can draw it here also. Oh, sorry. From there, bring the compass here. Increase the compass size. Put an arc here. Rotate. Put an arc here also. Take the compass to the other marking. Don't disturb the compass. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Remove the compass. Bring the scale. Draw a line connecting these two arc intersections. That will be the perpendicular passing through that point. As I told you, the slanting of our line will be visible in this. As I have always said, this digital scale is little disobedient. हमारी बात उतना मानता नहीं हो. I will try once, otherwise I have another option. Let me try the other option. The other option is drawing a straight line using another system over here. Simply connect from here, pass through this and pass through this. Okay. This is the tangent. This is a tangent through that point. Tangent through that point. Okay? That's it. We will go ahead now to know what is next. Next one is using the center of the circle. This one was without anything related to now center of the circle. You will not have any point on the circle. How to do that? That is the next time. We will move ahead to see whether any more to construct a tangent to a circle from a point outside that circle. First it was on the circle, now to construct a tangent to the circle from a point outside the circle. ये कैसे करूं? To do this again you have to use a certain principle. What principle can be used? The principle used is, we know that if there is a circle like this, and if there is a point like this, we know that two tangents can be drawn from that point to the circle, and the length of this tangent, that is from the point of contact of tangent to this point, will be equal. That means the tangents are congruent. Understood? And we also know that If this is the center of the circle, if a line is drawn from the point of contact to that, it will be 90 degree. All these things we know. Now we are asked to draw a tangent to the circle from a point outside. All this knowledge we will be using in order to draw that. So let me start drawing. This is something which is to be seen, to be believed. For that, I need a circle. For that, I need compass. Compass आ गया. मैंने एक पॉइंट डाला. सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे इधर. Circle is drawn. Now we are asked to draw a point outside from there. So I put a point here. वो काम भी हो गया. Let center of the circle be O and this be P. Then I am going to connect these two points. Draw a line connecting these two. After drawing this line, what we have to do is draw a perpendicular bisector of this particular line segment. It's quite easy. Bring the compass, keep here, expand to more than half, mark here, mark on the other side, take it to the other side, tilt, mark, mark. This is perpendicular bisector if connected. Understood? We got perpendicular bisector means this length will be equal to this length. If I draw a circle through using this as center and the center of the circle as its radius, it will purely go through it, but we want an arc over here and an arc over here. Enough. And if you draw a line connecting this point through that point of intersection of arc, another line from here to this point of intersection, we have done the construction. What is the construction? Construct tangents. One here, two here, to a circle. Circle ये है. From a point, this is a point outside the circle. And we know that two tangents are possible, so we did draw two tangents from that point. Most common question in your question paper. Practice it. Easy, interesting. And you will be drawing all this with pencil, not with color and all. Instead of scale, I used the lines directly because scale management is little tough on a digital screen. Okay. Let me see what is there more in your text. So that is the end of the video with the construction of a tangent to a circle from point outside the circle. You need to practice and practice. Spend 1 week for this particular chapter to practice now this week and very clear about different types of construction, which gives you full mark and confidence. Thank you. The next construction is construction of a tangent to the circle at a point on the circle, just like the same construction. The construction means the product is same. The ultimate you will be having a tangent to the circle, but the difference is that here we will not be using the center of the circle in the construction. In the previous case, what we did was we had a circle, right? And what we did was we put a point over here somewhere on the circle and draw a perpendicular, draw a line connecting the center of the circle to that point. First it was like that. You were simply drawing a line connecting the center of the circle through that point, correct? Then again a perpendicular through that point. Construction is over. Here we are asked not to use the center, without using center of the circle. So how it is? Again, as I told you, better do it and show you without using center. How can we draw a circle and its tangent at a desired point? The first thing I have to do is drawing a circle like every time. So I am taking the compass first and drawing a circle for you. Oh, it's quite big. It cannot fit in the screen properly. Reducing it, putting it little up, marking the point where I want the circle. Right. Otherwise it will be difficult for me to find out the center. Correct? It is not like your compass. It won't make any hole on my screen. Chalo, I will draw a circle here. Even now it is quite big. Center is not supposed to be used, though I marked. Then how to do? The technique is that related with a principle what we learned earlier. What is that principle? According to that principle, if I draw a circle here and show, if there is a circle and if you draw a tangent to that circle, if there is a tangent to it, suppose a tangent line it is, and from that point if you draw a chord which get converted into a triangle within, because this is the angle inscribed by that chord according to your learning. This angle inscribed by that chord, this angle, and this angle will be congruent. This you have studied. So we will think in that angle or that idea to solve the situation here. We wish to make a tangent to circle through this point, suppose, through this point. I am marking it here. This is the point where I wish to mark, through which I wish to draw a tangent. Suppose, मतलब मैं आपको दिखाने के लिए बताता हूँ, मुझे ऐसा इधर एक tangent चाहिए. But how to draw it without using center? I could draw it because simply I wanted to show you. Now the method is that first you have to draw, this point is given, from that point draw a chord. एक chord बना दिया. Right? You have drawn a chord. This is a point C through which I would like to draw a tangent. This is the chord CB. Now what I will do is, I will draw complete the triangle, because I am using that principle. I will simply draw a angle here, angle inscribed by the chord BC or CB is drawn here. This is the angle inscribed. Which is the angle? This angle. Now I know the principle that the tangent which I am going to draw will be having an angle here that angle and this angle will be congruent. So why can't I copy this angle over here and get that tangent? That is the technique. To copy an angle, it's very simple. Simply bring the compass to that angle and draw a arc touching both the arms of the angle. Here it is over. This can be written as A, so it became ABC. Take the measure of this particular angle like this and come here where we want to copy it. That angle will be copied here because we know that there will be an angle here which is measuring equal to it, and the tangent will be having that angle according to this principle. So I will do one thing, the same compass, मैंने disturb नहीं किया है compass को, I will draw the same arc over here. This one and the tangent will be having an angle equal to this. So I got this. Then I will copy the expansion as usual. Expansion to be copied. This expansion is copied. Bring that over here. Here also that line should go exactly at a similar distance from this. Understood? So here is a point, here is the second point. Now I have to draw a line passing through these 2 points. That will be the tangent. So let me start from here for convenience. Passing through this point, this line passed through. I can extend it here. The problem is solved. Here is a tangent at C, and I drew it using this principle. This angle and this angle I copied. I have not used this center for any purpose. Without using center, I could draw a tangent at a point, in this case C, on the circle. Understood, my dear students? This is a construction.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.